Man, this boy Mark boy logged in this bitch again, man. I got some shit y'all got to hear. Cause this shit is that shit. Yeah.
Industry ready production. VSBeats.com.
It started out when I was 12, caught my first dope sale. On the run from the law, cause I wasn't trying to see a sale. Made a vow I never tell. Take that shit with me to hell. So many niggas in the pen for not keeping shit to they self. Play it cool, keep your position. Don't trust nobody but yourself. So many niggas want my spot. You can't ball like me for real. So many thoughts go through my head. I can't help what the fuck I think. So many flavors, different colors. I can't help what the fuck I drink. Hey, brother, listen. I gotta say some shit and I think it's best you lend it. I'm offended, all these broke ass bitches claiming they whipping. Is you serious? I got pistols for every one of you niggas. Get your issue if you want it. He hollow bound to rip in you. I'm that nigga. You little niggas, you better get you some business. Cause on some real shit, gotta feel this. Get carjacked to get killed quick. I even break bread with my young niggas. We two to the gaunt, nigga. Let's be real, you a fuck nigga. That's why I can't fuck with you. I blow loud, straight skunk, nigga. Diesel pack, Matt song with it. If you blow mid, don't come with it. My eyes low, don't fuck with me. Intoxicated, I'm dumb tripping. I'm on something like done tripping. Hit the booth and I'm done tripping. Smoke it all till I'm done tripping. Yeah, you got to feel that shit, man. Don't get no realer than that.